Is this day 3?
Today? Yes, day 3.
This is our 3rd day on our trip. We woke up in Buriram Province. We're still here, and we took a morning hike up, what's it called? The Red Magna Stairs. And we've reached the summit of Buriram and the big Buddha overlooking the province of Buriram. Khao Kradong. So this is Buriram.
Yes.
On to the next. Top of I don't know, the apex highest point in Buriram, and I have spotted a large lizard. I mean, this guy's pretty big. Wow. Here on day 3 of our journey through Isan, and we are now in province of Nakhon Ratchasima,
Yes.
otherwise known as Korat. And we're at the Phimai Historical Park. Let's check it out. Or Singa guarding the temple, and this is called a Naga bridge. It symbolizes connecting the earthly and spiritual realm. It's a Buddhist and Hindu tradition to have a Naga bridge. Now we walk into the temple.
Oh, this is very nice. Stop.
Okay. We're now inside the walls of an ancient city. Built in the 12th century. So, a little over 1,000 years old. Yeah. Wow. Very much like Angkor Wat in Siem Reap, Cambodia. Beautiful. Well preserved. Another spectacular day here in Thailand. Beautiful weather. So from what I've seen, most of these Khmer temples have a long gallery like this around, all the way around, with windows and some kind of, you know, spiritual rituals happened out here. And then they have lotus symbols and all these windows. Now we enter the inner courtyard of the temple area. The prang. This is a prang, P-R-A-N-G, made of laterite. Entrance doors can be found on all four sides. A statue believed to be King Javaraman VII was found inside. Okay, well, this place lights up beautifully at night. They do a beautiful job of lighting different colors of these prangs in the temple. And you can see they've replaced the king's statue with something else. The inner courtyard. Soaking up some history today. Wow. It's like you can really imagine what it was like here 1200, 1100, 1000 years ago. This empty platform with the big holes in it for pillars, also little holes here. They don't know what it was for. Some sort of religious ceremony. Wow, this is a temple I really like. Day 3, we are still in Nakhon Ratchasima, commonly known as Korat, and we have stopped at the, what's the name of this place? It's a big flower garden.
Daifuku.
Yeah.
Oh, Hokkaido.
Hokkaido, from
Hokkaido.
Japan.
Yeah, Hokkaido.
Japanese flower garden. Hokkaido.
Hokkaido.
Hokkaido flower garden. Look at these beautiful flowers.